In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control location permissions in the Brave browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let sites ask for your location, block them entirely, or manage specific sites with precision, all from Brave's privacy-focused settings. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner and click the three horizontal lines, the menu icon. From that dropdown, choose Settings. This opens Brave's main settings page, where everything is organized along the left side. Click Privacy and Security in the left-hand pane, then select Site and Shield settings. This is where Brave groups controls for what websites can do, and it's where you'll find permissions like camera, microphone, and, for our purposes, location. Scroll down to the section labeled Permissions and click Location. You're now on the page that determines how sites can request and use your location data. Think of the main toggle at Popup as the master switch. When it's on in blue, sites can ask for your location. When it's off and gray, sites won't be able to ask or see it at all. If you want sites to be able to ask for your location, make sure the main switch is on and confirm that sites can ask for your location is selected. With this setting, you'll get a prompt when a site wants access, and you can choose Allow or Block on the spot. This option is great if you want control on a case-by-case basis, like allowing maps or delivery services when you need them. If you prefer maximum privacy and fewer interruptions, turn the main switch off, or select Don't allow sites to see your location. With this setting, sites won't prompt you and they won't receive location data. For more granular control, look just below the main toggle. You'll see lists for allowed to see your location and blocked from seeing your location. These let you manage exceptions individually. You can add a site to either list or remove one to reset its behavior. Adding a site to allowed ensures it can access your location without asking. Placing one in blocked keeps it from getting that data, even if the main switch is on. All changes take effect immediately, and you can return to this page anytime to adjust your preferences. That's it. Quick, clear, and tailored to your privacy needs in Brave.